Hey guys, today we're going to talk about what you always think about. I wish I had some extra income coming in. I wish I could do something productive with my free time and so on. Coming up with a side business is a great way to earn extra money and make wonderful use of your free time. But the biggest question, however, is what kind of business should you start? In this video, I'm going to talk you through 5 relatively easy business ideas you can start from today while keeping your full-time job. And quickly before we get started, this video is sponsored by Skillshare, an online learning community with thousands of classes in business, technology, video production, marketing, and many more areas. If you've been thinking about learning a new skill, whether technical, vocational, or interpersonal, anything that will give you an extra edge at work or to start something of your own, well, don't be waiting and waiting. Click now on the Skillshare sign up link in the description below and learn the skills you want to learn from experts around the world. I've been personally using it for the last few days and I love it, so much so that I'm recommending it to my friends and my family and you guys. Using my link, the first 500 people who sign up will get 2 months of free premium membership that will give you unlimited access to high quality classes, so you can improve your skills, unlock new opportunities, and do the work you actually love. The free membership offer is only valid for a limited time, so don't forget to check it out after the video. Number 5. Start a YouTube channel. There's always something all of us are good at. For example, you may be good at singing, dancing, storytelling, technology, and 1,000 other things. Why not take it seriously and share it with the world on YouTube and make it a legitimate business idea? If you can create value-driven, entertaining video content and grow your subscriber base to a few thousand subscribers, your videos can start generating pretty substantial income from all the ads being displayed on your videos. Many YouTubers make pretty good money each year, so there is a clear potential to take this side business idea into consideration from today. Number 4. Start a blog. If you think blogging is no longer a viable source of income, think again. Thousands of bloggers are creating profitable content on various topics. And I'm going to remind you again that there are so many things you're good at, so why not share it with the world? You can even share your experiences, step-by-step process to do stuff. And if you aren't confident to do it on YouTube, then your next option is to write it and put it on blog. People are growing their blogs into 6-figure businesses through affiliate marketing, blog sponsorships, and other revenue streams. Your first step is to get started on a free blog domain through WordPress or Blogger and write your first blog. And if you do everything professionally, soon you will start to generate income through it. Number 3. Photography. Getting paid to take pictures is a great way to turn a photography hobby into a side business. There are plenty of things you can do if you're into taking photos. You can run a studio from your home taking pictures of family, nature, and even animals. You can even sell these pictures online through sites like Shutterstock. You can also consider photographing events and weddings that are exclusively held on the weekends. So while you start part-time, you can keep building your portfolio. Number 2. Online coaching. Everyone has knowledge about something that someone is ready to pay for. If you have a passion for helping others and at the same time get a flexible and sustainable way of making income, then online coaching is for you. Online coaching has greatly expanded in the last few years and there is room for almost every kind of coaching. You can do that on Skype or through already established online academies. It also allows you freedom that you've never experienced before. Imagine you could be coaching people who stay in different parts of the world while you're just sitting in your room, which is pretty cool if you think about it. Number 1. Soap making and spa products. Making amazing homemade soaps and other spa products isn't as hard as you might think. It just takes the right recipe and time and patience. People value handmade and organic cosmetics more than those with full of chemicals. It is the new norm of living. And you may not believe, but you can actually make a natural soap at home. So just look up the recipe on Google and get started. And once you've experimented a few times, you can ask your family and friends to use them for review and work your way up by consistently improving your product and advertising on social media. I'm personally aware of one such successful business that one of my friends is running, and it is literally crazy to see how much people are ready to pay for good stuff these days. That's it for today, guys. You're also welcome to share your business ideas in the comment section below. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching.